Bye, TikTok. Bye, TikTok. Bye. Don't forget to put one over there.
It also means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. That means it's safe enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey over the rivers of America.
My ex-girlfriend and her husband are in downtown Disney.
Okay, great. I'm going to have a real quiet, letting them get the magic.
Along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans.
What?
Tiana's up with both pirates.
New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999
Have
ghosts,
fun,
ghouls, and goblins.
Jenny.
And they're looking for one more to make it 8,000. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after we arrive back at the landing in Frontier. We're now passing Powers Hall. This is homeport for the three-masted Windjammer of the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world.
I'm so sorry. Could you help me zoom back out? Yeah. I'm so not.
The most famous landmark in this area is Splash Mountain, named for the fact that everyone seems to have a splashing good time when they go. Splash Mountain is part of
Terrible
Oak
at
Grove is filled with tall pines, rusted buildings, backward bayous, and one of those tall tales we often hear along the way. The story is that the birds and animals that live here can talk, sing, and dance. Like I said, just another tall tale.
I lost my magical map pad on this ride once.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it had all the autographs on it, and then my friend Aaron told me, Luke, next time put your hat in your backpack. So I got my own log this morning, and I put my hat and wallet and iPhone in my backpack.
Better keep it safe and dry.
I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day.
Yeah, we got 2 hours to get on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Don't be so jealous, Bree. I'll get you something, don't worry. Next time when I see you in the parks, I'll give it to you. America.
You're in for a
Real treat.
I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees, the stunning rock formations, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful. Off to the side of the river is an Indian chief, and I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains King.
What do you want me to get you? Like a hat, shirt, pen, you name it.
Off at one side of the railroad is a wise old machine, sharing a story for all of us to hear.
Okay, Bree.
He's telling the tale of how Winter taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend from the Dakota passed down from generation to generation. And then, just beyond the shore, is a tribe of Plains Indians setting up their camp along the banks of the river. They'll be here for a few months and then move on. As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wildlife.
So right here, guys, this is where Nature's Wonderland used to be a long time ago before Big Thunder Mountain started. And I feel like doing the train last before we leave the park. Don't you think, fellas? Leave your comments below.
Off the starboard side is Pirate's Lair by Tom Sawyer. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I see why. If you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school. And you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure all day long. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought. We're now heading back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering peaks of Big Thunder
Mountain. Yeehaw!
That the railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural forces, and they've turned the mining trains into the wildest
Out of the wilderness.
Of course, that may be just another legend over there. Just ahead is the Frontier Lane, where our journey begins. On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Mark Twain River.
If there's a new welcome back pin, I will pay you back. Okay.
Quickest and easiest ride. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us again real soon.
Engine room. Approach ready at 1/4 speed. And for all eyes.
9.
All
And
passengers,
then
stand by
right
for shore.
door. And there's the landing station, and I'll be right back, guys, as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a magical day. Very short and